Yes, students, we discussed the psychotropic drugs and the psychedelic drugs. And people, those who start with the fun and curiosity, they are getting addicted and they are called drug addict. Another, the substance with which the people are getting addicted in common, that is alcohol. Alcohol, what is alcohol? It is chemically known as ethyl alcohol. We can say ethyl alcohol, or we can say ethanol. We can also say ethanol. Ethanol is C2H5OH. C2H5OH. These are obtained by the fermentation of sugars, and sugar is fermentation of sugar gives rise the ethanol. Okay, in the presence of yeast. For example, the sugar like the glucose C6H12O6, okay, it gives rise to ethanol. How? When it is the fermentation of glucose is done in the presence of yeast, which produces the gymase enzyme. In the presence of gymase enzyme, the glucose is, this is yeast, okay, yeast. Gives rise 2 molecules of carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of ethanol, C2H5OH. Okay, this is ethanol, this is glucose. In industry, in the commercial manufacturing of the ethanol, what happens in industries? The starchy cereals in industries, starchy means more carbohydrate, okay, that polysaccharide, high concentration of polysaccharide, starchy, the cereals or grains are used for the manufacturing of the ethanol. So, in industries, the starchy cereals or grains are soaked with water. Okay, and the soaked starchy cereal grains, when soaked with water, what is produced? Maltose is produced. Maltose, when the fermentation of maltose is done in the presence of yeast, fermentation is done. Of course, gymase enzyme it secretes. And which yeast is used? Saccharose, the yeast used in the industries, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, okay, is used in the industries for the synthesis of for the production of the ethanol. The main source of the commercial ethanol, main source of commercial ethanol or alcohol. Okay, ethanol, that is nothing but alcohol, commercial alcohol, or molasses. What are they? Molasses. What are molasses? Molasses are the byproduct of the sugar factories, sugar industries. These are produce the black viscous substance that are produced as the byproduct while during the sugarcane refining or sugarcane or sugar cube refining into the sugar. Molasses. What are the molasses? Molasses are the black viscous substance. Black viscous substance. When they are produced, molasses, MOLASSES, molasses are produced as byproduct, produced as byproducts. Byproducts during the sugarcane refining into sugarcane, sugarcane from which the sugar is formed, sugarcane. Usually we take the juice of the sugarcane, isn't the sugarcane or sugar cubes into sugar. Okay, produced byproducts. The sugarcane refining, when the sugarcane or sugar cube refining occurs, refining into sugar. So the main source of the industrial alcohol is the molasses. Molasses, the byproduct of the sugar factories. And these alcohol, ethanol, is used by the people if in a small quantity in the cool countries. It is okay, it is not harmful. But when it is taken in excessive amount, it becomes harmful for the people. During this period, when this the synthesis is done, it is done. This reaction is continued up to till the alcohol content becomes 15%. This reaction is carried out till the alcohol content becomes 15%, then it is stopped, inhibited. Then it is inhibited. Automatically it is inhibited. By what? Inhibited by the alcohol, by that alcohol that is produced. Okay, then the fermentation process is inhibited by the alcohol itself. How it is inhibited? By the alcohol itself. So what I was telling you, the intake of the alcohol in the small quantity is okay. That is generally taken in the cool countries. What are the uses? These are used in the medicine, generally used in medicines, making syrups, or the tonics, cough syrups, the vitamin tonics. Okay, then that the alcohol is medicinal use is there. Check telling. If it is used in a small quantity, as it is used in the cold small quantity in cold places, in cold countries. It is harmless. But when it is taken in excessive drinking, is harmful and the person becomes addicted, and the addicted person is called the alcoholic. The excessive drinking leads to addiction, and addiction of alcohol is called alcoholism. This is called addiction of alcohol is called alcoholism. And the person is called alcoholic. The person, addicted person, that person is called alcoholic. Okay, these are the commonly used beverages, the undistilled or distilled beverage. The undistilled beverages are like the beers, sherry, champagne. The beer derived from barley grains, the sherry from grape juice, champagne from grape juice. The distilled one, rum, gin, and whiskey, and many more are there. Champagne. Rum is from molasses, gin from barley, whiskey from barley. As we discussed, the excessive use that impairs the physical, physiological, and psychological, and psychological functions. And psychological functions of the user. Okay, excessive use impairs, that destroys the physical, physiological, and psychological functions of a person, which is called alcohol abuse. It is the alcohol abuse. This is called the alcohol abuse, and who becomes the dependent or addicted to the alcohol. The person is called the addict, and the addiction to the alcohol is called alcoholism. Okay, what are the effects of alcohol? Let us discuss. What are the effects of alcohol? That a high dose of more than 30 ml if taken, then it acts as intoxicant. Then act as intoxicant and affect the general activities and behavior, and act as the CNS depressant, act as CNS depressant. That drowsiness, it causes the drowsiness. Causes the drowsiness and becomes the it affects the driving. So if driving, one becomes prone to accident, if driving, then prone to accident. Affect the vision, alertness, responsiveness, behavior, the judgment, coordination, etc. Damages the most important internal organ, that is liver. Actually, the alcohol in the liver, it is converted into acetaldehyde. Then acetaldehyde again converted into in the liver, converted into fat. Thus, liver becomes the fat depot. Liver becomes fat depot, resulting the fatty liver. Resulting the fatty liver. Thus damages the liver. The alcohol has widening effect of blood vessels. Alcohol has widening effect of blood vessels. Thus what happens? The blood pressure falls down. What it causes? The blood pressure falls down. So it leads to bradycardia. That is the lowering the heartbeat. Lowers the heartbeat. If it is the normal is 72 to 80, then it falls down to 60 or more less. Okay, 60 per second, 60 per minute. As our standard heartbeat is 72 to 75 or even up to 80. The bradycardia in case of lowers the heartbeat, leads to cardiomyopathy. Actually, it is given myocardiopathy, but it is more appropriate. Cardiomyopathy is more appropriate. Cardiomyopathy, the muscles of the heart, heart muscle is affected. Okay, and moreover, it decreases decreases the ADH secretion. ADH secretion, antidiuretic hormone secretion, that which controls the diuresis, So the urine cannot be controlled, so frequent urination or the urine output increases. Family members they are affected, and the social status is broken down. The social status, family members are affected, and that's why it is told that the alcohol drinking is a social evil. Alcohol drinking alcohol is a social evil. Drinking alcohol is a social evil. You may be asked why it is said that drinking alcohol is a social evil. Then you have to explain all the effects. So, what we have discussed, that how it affects the excessive drinking of alcohol affects the physical, physiological and psychological functioning of a person. What it affects? Already have written that, discuss the point, affects the physical, physiological and psychological impacts, damages. The person becomes more aggressive. The user becomes more aggressive. Okay, write down the points. How the addicted persons where the withdrawal can be done, and the symptoms, what symptoms are shown, and how the treatment is done. And the rehabilitation centers are also established. So see, in alcohol addiction, symptoms: hallucination, fits and tremor. That is the hallucination, the extreme feeling, the condition of extreme feeling, tremors, the shaking of the body or hands, the fits, you can say the one type of seizure, the different parts of the body, they are jerking, and twitching means the contraction of the muscles in different places in the limbs, that may occur in the consciousness or unconsciousness. It is due to the alcohol poisoning. The diazepam drug is given for the treatment of vitamin B, antioxidants like cephalosporin and disulfiram are given. In drug addiction, symptoms are shown like the severe physiological and psychological disturbances are seen, and nausea, the uneasiness before vomiting, the perspiration, excessive sweating, muscle cramp, the insomnia, muscle cramp, the muscle remain the contracted, insomnia, the memory loss of appetite or epilepsy, that is due to that is the kind of seizure, not exactly fits, but somewhat like the fits. And epilepsy means when the neurons are affected, and because of the nervous breakdown it happens. The treatment for this, based on the required symptom based, the treatment is done on symptom based. The pharmacotherapy means by giving the medicine, drugs, psychotherapy, psychological, counseling, psychotherapy, psychological treatment, counseling, care by the family members and the friends. The rehabilitation centers to withdraw the addiction, the centers are there called the rehabilitation center. Outdoor and indoor facilities are available. Outdoor indoor counseling and treatment are available. So what is the social implication and moral implication? Yes, what are the social implications? The alcoholics become easily violent. They do not do their normal duty. They neglect their family. They do the fatal accidents when drive drunken. Fatal accidents when drive drunken, in drunken condition when they drive, easily gets involved in corruption and crimes. Maybe the drug addicted or alcoholic. Moral implications: economy of the family is degraded. The is degraded. Children follow them, start stealing. They also start taking alcohol. They start smoking. The staining of the teeth, finger, lips, teeth, fingers, lips. Foul breath distract the people. The bad smell comes from that person. That's why because of foul breath, the people are distracted, goes away from him. Environment gets polluted because of smoking and due to smoking and alcoholism. Due to smoking and alcoholism. Okay. So alcohol is nothing but the ethanol or ethyl alcohol. It is synthesized from the glucose or the sugar by the process of fermentation by using the yeast. In commercial purpose in industries, these are synthesized mainly from the molasses. Molasses are the byproduct of the sugar cane while refining into the sugar. And the yeast used is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The effect, the various effects are there that alcohol affects the when it is taken in excessive amount more than 30 ml, then and in a regular manner, then the person in the alcoholic person, the CNS alcohol acts as the CNS depressant that affect the general function, thus physical, physiological and psychological functions. It damages the most important internal organ, that is liver. Liver becomes the fatty liver due to the conversion of the alcohol into aldehyde, that acetaldehyde, and then acetaldehyde then converted into fat, and liver becomes the fat depot, and the liver becomes fatty liver. Rehabilitation centers are there who provides the indoor and outdoor counseling and treatment. Okay, thank you.